you move too fast, your time will slow down. Well, not for you, but for an outside observer. This is known as time dilation. The deal is that we know the speed of light is constant, and if something is at rest or at motion, the speed of light for both of them should be the same. Consider this example. There is a photon clock at rest. A photon clock is just a photon bouncing to and fro. And for a clock at rest, this photon bounces back in a straight line. But for a clock in motion, which is falling down with a relative speed, this photon moves diagonally and its distance increases. Now, if the distance increases, the velocity will also increase, but the speed of light is constant. So to keep it constant, we have to increase the time taken, means the time slows down. This whole calculation can also be proved by classical physics formula. Another interpretation of time dilation can be that in space-time, an object moves in space and time simultaneously, but there is a percentage of how much it moves through space and how much through time. Now, if an object is in motion and is moving close to the speed of light, it will move more through space rather than time. So time gets slowed down.